Here is a toilet where the fill valve is not closing all the way, so the toilet tank is continuously filling, which is causing the toilet to run. This right here is the fill valve, which needs replacing. So down on the bottom here is the shut-off valve, which is right here. Can you see this? This I will shut the water off, and I will flush the toilet, and I will replace this fill tank valve right here. Here we have the 400A Fluid Master Contractor Series fill valve. You ain't got to film me. This is going to be the replacement for the fill valve that's going to go in this toilet. You can get this from Home Depot for about $13, between $13 and $15. Okay, we're gonna first start by turning the water supply off, which I already did. And then I'm gonna disconnect the water supply line. You will need a bucket or a bowl to catch the water that's remaining in the line. Now, when I pull this out, the remaining water that's in the tank is going to drain from the bottom. I have here a small bowl to catch the water as it leaves the toilet. This here is the old fill valve. This here is the new one. This is your rubber gasket that will seal right here along the bottom when you get ready to install the new one. And you will note that you will remove this inner section of the seal ring, goes like that. And you will replace it. Also, right here is the ring that you will pull up and you can adjust the height of the fill valve. This is the ring that you will tighten up the bottom of the fill valve. Oh. This toilet cleaning guy. I should have gloves on. This is the new supply line that goes on to the fill valve. Push it on like that. There's also a supply clamp line that goes on it. The excess hose you can cut off. Install this like so. And that slides on the top of the tank as well. Then you turn on the water. Uh-oh, not yet. Gotta hook the line up. Put the supply line back up. Then you turn on the water. Okay, can you catch it over here? Come around, bro. Can you see the water going in?
Yeah.
No. Right here. You need to get over here and step back because you're in the shadow. See? This right here is the adjuster where you will adjust it so that the water will shed off at the right water level.